In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media links in Leadpages. If you're looking to enhance your online presence and make it easier for your audience to connect with you across multiple platforms, this guide will walk you through it in just a few simple steps. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the search bar. Type in Leadpages and hit Enter. Now, you should see a list of results. Focus on finding the official Leadpages website, which will usually be the first result or the one with the URL that includes leadpages.com. Once you've found it, click on that link to proceed. When you're on the Leadpages homepage, look for the Login button. It is often located at the top right of the page. Give that button a click. Now, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your Leadpages account, and then submit to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your specific Leadpages page within the editor. From the dashboard, locate and select the page you want to edit. Now, your page should be open in the Leadpages editor, ready for customization. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Widgets. This is where you can find all sorts of tools to add functionality to your web page. Click on Widgets, and you'll see various elements you can add to your page. You want to find the social widget. Drag this widget from the menu and drop it onto the section of your page where you want your social media links to be displayed. Once the social widget is placed on your page, hover over it to reveal an Edit icon. This may appear as a pencil, or you may need to hover over the widget to see it. Click on this icon. This action will open up additional settings for customizing the widget. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar that appears. This is where you can adjust the settings for your social links. You can change the preview image and add a description to tailor it to your branding. Then, click on the specific social icon you want to link. Each icon has its own settings, so make sure to go through them one by one. Once you've selected a social icon, choose the option called Link to Profile. In this field, paste the URL of your corresponding social media page. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platform you want to link to, make sure to put the correct URL. Repeat these customization steps for each social media icon that you're interested in linking. By doing so, you ensure that all your chosen platforms are easily accessible directly from your Leadpages page. That's all it takes to add and customize social media links in Leadpages.